Hey everyone, I'm Sheikh Shobuz. Today I want to talk about something that many people dreams about freelancing. Now, if you are beginner, you might be thinking, where do I even start? I totally get it. I was in the same place once. So, in this video, I'll break down freelancing in a way that's simple, potential, and real. What is freelancing? Freelancing means you work for yourself. You offer a specific skill like SEO, content writing, graphic design, and web development to clients or campaign anchored on the world. You don't have a basis, you have clients. It's basically running your own small business asset. But remember, freelancing is not just about freedom or earning dollars. It's about responsibility. You are your own brand, your own manager, and your own marketer. First step is discover your skill. Before creating an account on Fiverr, on Upwork, ask yourself, what skill can I offer that solves someone's problems? It could be something like writing blog, doing your research, designing logos, managing social media, editing videos. Start with on skill. Don't do the all everything. Focus help your grow faster. Second step is build your portfolio and profile. Next, you need to show your skill, not just talk about it. Create a strong freelancer portfolio. Use a professional photos, write a clear description of your service, and upload 2 or 3 sample projects. If you have done real for clients, it making simple work. For example, if you are learning SEO, do have a full audit of your own website or a friend site. This proves you know what you are doing. Third step is learn to communication. Clients don't just pay for skill, they pay for clarity and trust. Always be polite, reply on time, and ask smart questions. Before starting a project, if something takes more time, tell me clients early. Good communication makes you start out even more than experience. Fourth step is start small but think long term. At the starts, it's okay to take small jobs or extra offer. Risk to get reviews. Don't worry about the amount. Think about building your reputation. On clients see your quality, they will come back and you can increase your rate confidently. Step 5 is stay consistent and keep learning. Freelancing is not just a one time effort, it's a journey. Some months will be a great, others will be a quiet. That's normal. Use the quiet times and upgrade your skill, learn new tools and improve your portfolio. Be potential, be consistent. Every small steps add up. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start learning, start building, and start earning. One client at a time. Thanks for watching. I am Sheikh Shobuz, wishing you all the best in your freelancing journey.